ready to connect with your Malayalam-speaking audience on WhatsApp like never before. Today, we're diving into how to send bulk WhatsApp messages in Wati, specifically tailored for Malayalam audiences, ensuring your campaigns resonate and convert. First, you need to upload your contact list into Wati. Make sure your list is properly formatted, with phone numbers, including the country code, and ideally, include relevant details like names to personalize your messages. This list should contain phone numbers of your Malayalam-speaking audience. Think of the information that will help make the message more personal. Next, navigate to the Broadcasts section of Wati. This is where the magic happens. Click New Broadcast to begin crafting your message. Now for the crucial part, your message content. Write your message in Malayalam, carefully considering cultural nuances and using language that resonates with your audience. Remember to keep it concise, engaging, and provide clear, actionable information. Personalization is key. Use Wati's merge tags to automatically insert names or other details from your contact list, making each message feel unique and tailored. The more personal your message is, the higher the engagement. Finally, choose whether to send your broadcast immediately or schedule it for later. Consider the best time to reach your audience in the Malayalam-speaking region, then simply click send and Wati will deliver your personalized messages to your contacts. Track your results. Wati provides detailed analytics on message delivery, open rates, and replies, allowing you to optimize your future campaigns for even better results. Now, you're equipped to engage your Malayalam audience effectively using Wati.